Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the whale shark in Heartopia. So you'll need to be level 11 of the fishing hobby, and you can catch it when it is rainbow or sunny, when it is dawn, dusk, or night, I think, and you get it by sea fishing. So let's talk to Bill here. I don't know why he keeps on walking. Go to sea fishing event, and then I'm just going to start boat 2 because sometimes I have more luck. And I'm just going to like fast forward it because I think it's going to be a little bit harder to catch this shark. So hopefully I get it. If not, maybe I need to wait for a rainbow. Also, the shadow is going to be gold, and I finally caught the whale shark, and I didn't even have to wait for the rainbow. So you can catch this when it is sunny, and here is what it looks like. Super cool. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!